Welcome to the demo of Mobile Probe Carrier Edition, a solution that allows to obtain measurements of network parameters from the end user's devices. This demo will give you an overview of the tool's generic operation and will present you with the results obtained during a trial conducted in the city of Buenos Aires. When accessing the platform, the first thing you will see is the main dashboard, which offers a heat map with the number of measurements reported during the day. The application is able to obtain such measurements in background, reporting data to the platform with the frequency configured by the operator so that the taking of measurements does not impact on the user experience. It is possible to observe at any time the number of users that use the application and the number of licenses purchased. It should be noted that the application may be integrated with any proprietary application of the operator. The data gathered is temporarily stored in their devices until it can be sent to the central server in the most convenient way. All the information gathered may be treated anonymously in order to preserve the privacy of the users. As can be seen, the platform generates maps based on this data oriented to the analysis of mobile network coverage. For instance, by entering dead zones, it is possible to rapidly observe all those measurements taken by customers of the operator which register no service, filtering by technology. One of Mobile Probe Carrier Edition's advantages is that it allows to offer troubleshooting for a specific user without causing this user to lose its anonymity. When users use the Drive Test option, the application enters a continuous measurement mode, which allows to monitor a specific session. These sessions can be selected from the platform's interface, allowing to observe a map containing the location of the measurements, the signal strength, the technology, and the cell in which the measurement was taken. The key of Mobile Probe Carrier Edition is that, as it offers thousands or even millions of test points, it makes it possible to obtain representative information about the way in which customers perceive services. This allows to perform statistical analysis of the information and thus to verify in real time the performance of the network from the user's perspective. It is also possible to observe in detail how users use OTTs, both with mobile and Wi-Fi networks. For instance, by observing the measurements of the last 30 days, it is possible to spot the location from which the largest number of data was reported, check the dates on which the majority of data was consumed, the percentage that each OTT represented in a specific day's data, and which are the most used applications. All these graphs may be filtered by date and by OTT. The solution also allows to distinguish users' data usage of mobile and Wi-Fi networks. In this case, we see the percentage that mobile data represents in the total amount of data consumed in both networks, both in general for the range under analysis and per day. This same percentage is also available for each of the OTTs. Histograms make it possible to better understand the end user's behavior, as they show the number of users and the amount of data consumed for the different usage percentage of the mobile network. In order to review the platform usage, there is a dashboard that allows to analyze the amount of data that the application Mobile Probe Carrier Edition helped to gather during the last 30 days. This makes it possible to spot the locations with higher data use, the number of users per day, and the times on which the application is most used. This was a brief demo of how we can help you understand your customer's user experience. You can find more information about Mobile Probe Carrier Edition and all Nux solutions in our website, www.nux.tech.